making this video for you, girl. I don't want you to get discouraged, and I know exactly how you feel because a few years back I had these people brought this red-bone coon hound here, and I actually started thinking I was not going to be able to train this thing. Its name was Buddy, but it was so vicious we called it Bloody. Anyway, what I'm talking about with this dog is, and this is what I want you to do, we're looking for a certain angle of the body. I want the body to be curved, not just slightly on the hip, curved down. No, down. Good. Okay, look, you need to come around this way. Now he's actually got both of the paws curled under. Most of them don't do that. Good. Good boy. Good, good, good. So I want him to understand. You need to show me that your level of commitment for this down is very, very high. Heel. Heel. Down. Good. Down. Good. Good. So what I got there was legs kicked out, paw curled under. Good. And he came charging out, was getting ready to go. We're going to use this dog over here as for the distraction. Good. Good. So everything about the dog is facing towards me. There's no facing away. Good. 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 Heel. Good. 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 Down. Good. Wonderful, 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 wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Good. 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 Heel. So I'm doing my pager right there. I don't have my neck set real high. Heel. Good. 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 Heel. You have a real tight turn towards heel. Good. This is going to help with your down thing. Down. Good. So you see that time you already planned to put the foot under. Good. 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 Just lets them know I'm reading your body language so specifically that if I don't see that, I have a problem. Heel. Good. 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 Down. Good. Down. Good. Good. What a good boy. So once they feel like that you can read them that closely, they're going to mind their P's and Q's a little bit. Work on that, girl. Let me know.